Today, we're exploring the concept of audacity, a term that signifies the willingness to take bold risks. It's a quality that embodies courage, daring, and an unyielding spirit in the face of challenges. Consider the intellectual bravery displayed in academic circles. He had the audacity to question the professor's theory, showcases not just the courage to challenge established ideas, but also the pursuit of truth and knowledge through critical thinking. Now think about the entrepreneurial spirit. Her audacity in starting a new business impressed everyone, highlights the boldness required to venture into the unknown, illustrating the risk-takers who drive innovation and progress. Reflect on the adventurous spirit in exploration. It took audacity to climb the mountain without a guide, underscores the exceptional bravery and self-reliance needed to face nature's majesty and dangers without the assurance of guidance. Lastly, marvel at the feats that captivate audiences. The audacity of the stunt left the crowd in awe. Points to the breathtaking daring of performers who push the limits of what's considered possible, evoking admiration and surprise. Audacity is more than just boldness. It's a testament to the human spirit's capacity to confront the unknown, to defy conventions, and to boldly go where others might hesitate. If you're inspired by the notion of audacity and its role in inspiring action and overcoming barriers, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Join us as we delve into more words that capture the essence of courage and daring.